Alright, what's going on, Greninja Fire Squad? Mike-Greninja here, back with another video. And today, I don't know if I told you this in the last videos, but I ordered something off of Amazon, and you're never gonna guess what it is. I'm not telling you until I open the bag, but here it is right here. Comment down below right now what you think it is. But the people on Snapchat, y'all probably already know what it is. Don't be smart with me. So yeah, let's get this started. Alright, so this was a 5-star item. $17. It had to be the best deal I could possibly get. I feel like this was already open. Dang. God, this thing, you know what? Alright guys, 5-star woman. I haven't opened it, I hadn't did anything. Alright, comment down below right now, what do you think this is? And the people on Snapchat, the ones I texted to, hey mama, hello mama. Guess what it is? I don't know. I probably already told you. I know I told mama. I told a bunch of people. Yeah, I love popping wrapping paper. But I'm okay. Let's get this started. Bum. Let me do it like this. You know what? How about I do it like this? This is amazing. Why the stickers are at the bottom? Unboxing today. Alright, let's get this open. Hold on first. That's cool. Right there. Oh yeah, let's do this. Yeah, I got a bigger base stadium right here that already has bays in it. Ow. And the best thing about it, no wonder this thing looked weird. It was darker than the other. Darker. But they're both real metal. 5-star. Dang, this one got a... They're both the same lightness. Yeah, I've already got all my bays right here. These are the part for it. So, stickers for Z Achilles and stickers for Z Valtriac. Let's get this started. Ooh! Oh yeah, I'm gonna use the black one a lot, because you know black's my favorite color. What the devil? I know you put these on here. Oh, okay. Okay, I get it now. Hold on. Ah, dude, you gotta twist it. Oh, there we go. It clicks. I had to make it click. I was wondering why it didn't work. Ooh. Oh yeah, we're definitely gonna be practicing with these. Dang, This is dank. This is dank as heck. Oh, no. I just really like I took it back out. I'm such an idiot. I didn't even have to switch them. I don't know why I did that. I'm such an idiot. Comment section down below if you think I'm an idiot. Let me refill the switch. It got me up against the cold white. Because I like black. And this is black and red. I got another one coming in the mail. I got another one. Actually, I got 3 more. Single ones. Not going to tell you though. Special. Single. Oh yeah. Fun time with this. Let's take a look at these bays. Never mind this. I'm gonna put these on later. Not in the video though. It takes too much time. Remember, only 15 minutes. How much time I got left? Shoot, 6 minutes. Dang, I'm almost gotta get done with this video. So here they are. Oh, this is the heaviest. Y'all got a little bit of weight to them. Enough being said, let's battle with them. How am I supposed to hold this? You know, I got another one. Ow. Nope, that one's messed up. Oh, I know I got another one. I just gotta find it. Hold on, give me a little bit more time. Alright. Well guys, looks like I don't have another one. We're just gonna have to take turns with this one. No, I could probably do it like this. Yeah. So let's get this started. That was a frisbee. Oh, I need those. Yo! This one was so close to hitting the vent. Nothing to say. Let's do this. Alright, guys, I've already got the thing. It's the Achilles versus... I don't remember the name of this, but let's do this. Oh, what the heck? Why does it look so big right there? Oh, and it's on the other side too. Alright. Let's get this started. Oh, and yeah, I will be battling with those two in the next video. Alright, let's do this. My ugly feet. Alright, so let's do this. I'm so excited. Alright, 3, 2, 1, let it rip! Yep, knew that was gonna happen. Let me start that over. Happens to me all the time. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh, what the heck, man. I gotta start all over now. I might want to hurry up because I'm almost out of time. What the heck? Alright. What the heck? No. There we go. Dude, I'm already screwing this up and I just got him today. What the heck? It just did it. There we go. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. 3, 2, 1. Let it rip. Yeah, we're going to be battling with them in the next video. But I just want to see how they launch, though. That one launches like that. Oh, heck no, I ain't screwing this up again. unsatisfying. Next. Ow! Ow! God dang, that actually hurt. Alright, next one is Wonder About Track. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot! Oh, yeah. These are gonna be fun bay battles. Rush launch! Oh, yeah, I forgot it has to hit a bay verse. Bay first. Next. Alright, this is one that I've been excited for because me and Luminor had the best strength out of all the people in the world. And yes, I said me and Luminor. So let me do this one really hard. Negativity. Yep. Oh yeah. This is going to be fun. Alright guys, that has been the Mike-Greninja unboxing 5-star bays. So, in the next video, we'll be battling with them. Lognorus, I keep calling it Lognorus. Lunor, Valtryek, Wander Valtryek. And the main battle will be between these two. Yeah. So, until next time, see you in the Greninja Fire Squad. Peace. Bye, mama.